You record your Zoom sessions also?
No, sir, I don't.
Why? Wouldn't that be more useful for you?
It would be, but then I don't have that much storage. And I haven't set it up.
I'm sure your parents will have no problem with you asking for a nice hard disk for storing recordings and then you using that for your own purpose.
Yeah, but then, yeah.
Right?
Yes, sir.
Why have you not thought like that?
I used to record them, and then
This
I
is a
switched
chance
my.
where you can gain good advantages. I'm quite shocked and a little disappointed that you have not taken advantage like this. If I was in your position, by now I would have had one proper external hard disk and one nice mini solid state SSD wala chota hard disk also.
Mm.
Claiming that, Mama, I can't really connect the hard disk to my phone and see properly. I like to watch my videos. कुछ तो बहाना बना सकता है यार.
Yes, yeah.
And your parents will be perfectly happy to spend money if
Yeah.
you give a valid enough reason.
Yes. Yeah. Should
What is
probably
your
do.
laptop, by the way?
So I'm on iPad now. So
Oh, you're on iPad as well.
that's why I can't really record. I used to record when I was on my laptop, but then now I don't.
That is a problem.
Yeah.
That is a problem. So you used to use laptop earlier.
Yes, sir. Yeah. Very long ago.
Very old laptop. Huh?
No, long ago.
No, what is a laptop like? Good
It was
laptop or
a.
shit laptop?
It was pretty okay. Yeah. It was good.
Why did you disappoint? Why did you stop it?
Because I had many games on there, and like
Fair, fair, fair. So basically, that got canned for some other reason.
yeah, my father had to take it.
Okay, yeah, next.
1 second.
Hmm. How do you keep track of the number of hours of each class, dude? That will be a big pain, no? And
Yes,
I
sir.
see that you do it quite nicely.
After class, I just record that in the Google Sheet.
Oh, you maintain a prop. Oh, you're a sincere bugger. Okay, huh? Okay, huh. So after every class, you mention something like that.
Yeah.
That's very convenient, rather. It's very sincere. That is actually quite sincere. Huh?
So
Next.
if acidic hydrogen was there, then internal acid base reaction would happen.
Yes.
Oh,
Not just acidic hydrogen. If the system is having anything which the Grignard can react with, it can be acidic hydrogen, it can be a location which is going to be capable of being targeted by a nucleophile.
yes, sir.
If I have an aldehyde, let's say in the molecule in some corner, then the
Oh,
other cannot also.
okay.
Because in that case, nucleophile type of attack can happen.
Understood, sir. Yeah.
Hmm.
What was I gonna say?
Next up.
Just a second, I forgot.
Okay. So can I expect that you'll be ready with hydrocarbons next time?
Yes, sir. I'll try.
So trust me, that is going to be a very critical part which you have to fix. You
Okay.
cannot skip it.
Huh?
Hydrocarbons is going to be a very important part you definitely have to focus on fixing properly.
Yeah.
You cannot neglect it.
Sir, should I do hydrocarbons? Should I go back to GRC and then do that? Because I haven't done those questions. I've done many on this. Isomerism
Parts of GOC are messed up for you.
um, thing like acidic nature, basic nature, a little bit.
That should have gotten relatively clarified by now.
Now it's fine. Back then it was a big issue. I
It
think
is
now I'll
an
be
issue
able to.
anyway, and that is going to be an issue for a while because that the problem with that is not really that you have an issue. The problem with that is you don't have data.
Uh, I
So
guess now you get.
don't the issues are different types. In acidic nature, basic nature, you understand shit, but you're not able to solve the questions in a manner where you get marks.
Yeah, that's the problem.
Why is that happening? Not because you don't understand, because you do not have data.
I guess I should do more questions on that.
That's not worth it right now. You can do that certainly, but a
So
better method is going to be
in going backward,
you
maybe.
suffer through exams, collect information through exams. Because
Yes,
most of the standard stuff you know already. Don't laugh, I'm being very honest here.
yes,
Most of the standard stuff you know already, right?
yes,
If
sir.
they give you a common sense, logical order, you'll get it right. The problem comes when they give you shitty exceptions, new shit which you're not familiar with, correct?
Hmm.
How do you find those new shit? No one's going to put them up in a proper list, right?
Hmm.
Even in the list of shit which I gave you, I didn't give you some weird crap here, right?
Yeah.
I gave you only generalizations as much as I could. Yes, I tried to give as many of those generalizations as I could possibly do, but I didn't give you weird crap here. Very few weird crap I mentioned, like Pickering and Square, but I
Hmm.
didn't give you any weird stuff. The weird stuff you can only find out when some egoistic teacher decides to take vengeance on students.
Okay.
So you will get that kind of information through exams. Do not feel bad about missing out on some random marks in some random internal exam. It's just not worth it. Nobody will remember it. Nobody will give a fuck about it. The only person who will needlessly suffer for it is you. Even your parents don't care because they know the game.
Hmm.
They have an elder. You have an elder brother. They know the game.
Yeah.
They understand the game. I'm guessing your brother suffered through the same system or some other system.
Yeah. Chaitanya.
Okay,
Worse, yeah.
not worse. I would. Yeah, actually, yeah, it is worse. I will say Fiji is a little better off. I'll admit that. I worked in all three of those places, so yeah, Fiji is better off. I admit that. The kids who have taught in Fiji, even if they were in the Fiji, there's also this other funny thing. Chennai, at least, they used to make us do this. The same teacher who handles the top batch has to handle the bottom batch as well.
Yeah,
Is
we
it the
have
same
that too.
policy here now?
Yes, sir. Yeah. Except for our math teacher. Yeah.
Huh?
Except for my math teacher, my other two teachers teach lower batches. Yeah.
They have to last batch because last batch's suffering is get every student to pass.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Very funny place.
Yeah.
You know, one time when the top teacher will not handle both batches is if there is a dearth of teachers. If there are not enough good teachers to handle the junior batch also, then they will do whatever they can for the top batch only.
Mhm.
And it's a big campus. That means yours is not that big a campus then.
It's pretty big. I mean,
I think.
yeah. I mean, we have three different branches, right? So, but
And I
overall,
say your campus, I mean your campus.
yeah, it's decently big.
Where you teach and where your teachers teach.
Yeah, like 700 students. Yeah.
Oh, that's a big campus, dude.
That's pretty big.
700 kids.
Yes, sir. It's very crammed. It's like above like a barbecue nation. It's pretty bad. Yeah.
You got enough beef to basically poke
Yeah.
with.
It's very bad.
Okay, next go on.
1 second. Sir, GOC or hydrocarbon?
We were discussing now. I would recommend continue on with what are the other problems in GOC. Acidic nature, basic nature, what else?
Um, what else is there? This. Um, 1 second.
The complicated ones in GOC. Let me rephrase the question for GOC there. Do you have problem with information or do you have problem with any understanding parts of GOC? If you have problems with the understanding parts of GOC, go fix them.
Hmm.
If the understanding parts are clean, move on.
I think I might have a few problems there. I'll just go through that stuff again and see.
Go ahead and make sure that the understanding bits of GOC are cleanly cleared. That will be very useful for later parts, definitely. So get them cleared out. If you have any issues with them, we'll sort them out directly here. That will be easiest and fastest.
Hmm. Sir, is like this, after this GOC, we studied about bond fission and like reaction intermediates. Are those a part of GOC or like are they?
Absolutely, yeah.
Oh, okay.
They are.
Hydrate shift and all those stuff.
Yes. Hydrate shift. We have to discuss a little bit of carbocation rearrangement sometime. Have I discussed or we have not discussed yet?
I don't think we've discussed very well. You also totally
I
discussed
discussed why
elimination.
hydrate shift is more easier than the other ones or not?
Oh yeah, that you told, yes. I remember.
What was the reason I discussed?
That I 1 second.
Was it something related to electrostatic force of attraction and shit like that?
I don't remember that. So.
Okay, okay. So yeah, those are part of GOC. And
You
that
told
rearrangement is quite important. Um, when we
you,
have time, we'll discuss that next time.
you told you discuss elimination reactions as well. So I guess we can cover this in that.
Yeah, sure, certainly. We can do that along with that. What else? What else are the pieces in GOC which are shaky, so to say?
So just the questions, I guess. I'm not able to solve. Back then, I was not able to solve questions. So I guess not
Then
sure.
mostly your theory is fine.
Somewhat.
And brush through your theory once. If you feel you want to gain a little bit more confidence in GOC, I would recommend you push it after hydrocarbons.
Okay.
Because hydrocarbons, you don't have confidence even in information now. Even
Hmm.
in the reactions, you don't have full confidence there. So get that fixed off first. GOC, if you have theoretical issues, logical issues are there, that should take priority over even hydrocarbons. But if
Okay.
theoretical, logical is fine, and only questions and problem solving is really an issue, that can be postponed a little bit.
Hmm. I think in the isomerism and little parts, I need to fix up there as well.
What do you mean by isomerism? Like, what problems?
Sir, like this
Big
Fisher
question.
projection, like these confirmations, I'll just have to go through those again.
That's again practicing questions.
Yeah, exactly. But yeah, I guess I'll do the isomerism and do the GOC later.
Isomerism will be useful though. Get that isomerism done in GOC first, because practicing questions there will help you understand elimination better also.
In MS Down, there are two different chapters actually. This isomerism and GOC.
Isomerism एक बार कर लो. That will give you necessary practice, which is going to be very useful later. And then
Sort of.
move on to hydrocarbons.
Okay, I'll do it. Okay.
Okay, next one. Next question.
Yes. Yes, sir. You told that internal acid-base reaction could take place. Right? Like in this question, I think it's happened.
Send me the question.
Yeah, I'm sending it. 1 second. The OH got cut off up there, but yeah, I think this internal thing will happen here. But then, no.
See, this is a shitty question. First off, okay. Now, once you have concluded it's a shitty question, what should you do then?
Learn the solution more. Sir,
What is your job?
get marks.
Correct.
No.
Stop thinking whether shit is correct or not. Your job is not to debate the question.
Sir, I'm not even getting like the answer.
What do you mean you're not getting the answer? Let me just look and get you the answer there. Mhm. So we end up, let us say, producing a grignard here for some reason. We produce the grignard here. Let's say the fellow over here ends up reacting. If it does end up reacting, we have two possibilities. We can get an N minus here, and we'll have the hydrogen going here. That is one possibility. Or we are going to be having this as a C minus going and attacking. Okay, these are my two possible systems. So now
Hmm.
let's now check what will happen with this guy as a product. And then we'll check with this guy as a product. Next is going to be benzaldehyde. So with benzaldehyde now, this fellow can come attack over here. Or if I'm going to be hitting with benzaldehyde here, are you noticing how I'm approaching the question here?
Yes, sir. Two different cases
Yeah.
simultaneous.
Never assume anything is your correct path there. You understand the game here?
That's very my mistake. Yeah. Yes.
Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
I'm guessing you screwed up over here.
Yeah. Exactly.
Correct?
Yeah. Now yeah, you told that
Now
this
things are
NH.
clear, right? Now you get your answer.
Yes, sir.
Any problems here? You understood what's happening here?
Hmm. Sir,
So
so
whenever you are having organic chemistry, never exclude possibilities.
hmm,
Go with the flow and be as flexible as possible. Assume everything is possible. Then you decide which is the best.
okay, sir. Hmm.
You're clear here?
Yes, sir.
Does this lead to the answer?
Yeah, it leads to the this one leads to the answer.
Next.
Sir, like here because NHR group is there, that's why internal is happening. So that like in the previous question we did right this which cannot form a Grignard reagent. So this would be one of the examples.
I do not understand the question here. Oh,
So
you're
like
asking if the question was which will not form Grignard reagent. Ah,
then
this would
this
be an
would
answer for that.
yeah this would not form right yeah that's right. So if NHR is also there it will not form.
NHR will also not form.
But
See,
only an
what I tell NH nitrogen. See, what
yeah
was the
yeah
acidic nature crap I gave specifically? What is the purpose of giving this? Any nitrogen with a hydrogen.
acidic hydrogen
Yes.
attack
That's it.
yes.
When you are hitting it with Grignard.
Hmm.
Next up.
1 second.
Hmm. So who asked you to maintain these Google Sheet type of thing?
Like I've been doing it since the beginning, so like
Yeah, who asked you to maintain the what's Himati's assistant or your parents?
I mean initially my parents only asked me initially, so
Good, good, good. That's why I was surprised if Himati's assistant asked for that. Huh?
she
If
used
your
to ask for
parents
the
ask,
hours
that
from
makes
me.
more sense.
Like back then, she used to ask the hours from me, and I would tell her, and then she would ask them
No,
her
but I'm
contact.
guessing you maintained this from the beginning itself,
Yes, sir, from the beginning. Yeah,
before she asked.
before she asked. Yeah.
That means your parents. Good habit. Very
Yes.
nice. I'm impressed.
Yeah.
Yeah, your mother is a doctor, right?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
That means she's self-employed and she has to maintain all of these.
Ah,
So
yeah.
it is mostly your mom then.
Yeah. My father does not. Yeah.
Your father will not give a crap about this. Yeah,
Yeah, he does not.
You've sent another question?
No, sir, just 1 second.
Yeah, finish up. Yeah. So what was the answer given here?
Sir,
Bombay.
this. Huh?
Bombay?
Yes, yeah, it's big. Yeah. Like this showed up in two different places. The exact same mechanism. This same compounds also. I was asking. Sir, also like it was like in one question it was stated that only in basic medium this RMGX will attack less stately hindered area.
Mm,
Only in basic medium RMGX will attack less stately hindered area.
less?
Sterically hindered area. Like specifically mentioned basic medium.
Wait,
So
wait, wait, think. Only in basic medium, RMGX will attack less sterically hindered area.
Yeah.
That doesn't sound correct.
Yeah, I think why it's
That
the
doesn't sound
question.
completely correct. It might be correct in some cases, but that doesn't sound like a good
I can
sound
give the
assumption to make. Give me the case where they're given
yeah,
it
that's
with
right.
context with.
Just a second. Send
That should be okay in quite a few contexts, but it will not be correct in all contexts. It doesn't sound like a good assumption to make.
hmm.
What is your problem here? Only in basic medium it will attack as.
No, I mean this is stated that
This is
that
a straightforward question. Now, there's
yeah,
nothing.
yeah. I got the question, but it was given that like this was there in the solution for some reason. I don't know why it was given. That's why I wanted to ask, like, is there anything?
What the statement is given in the solution, is it?
Yes, sir, yeah.
No, dude. That statement is not applicable here.
Okay.
That statement is not applicable here.
Hmm.
Answer is A only, right?
Yeah, A only, sir, yeah.
That statement is not applicable here.
Okay, yeah.
Less sterically hindered will be the one which will be attacked every time here.
Hmm.
It doesn't have to do with basic, medium, and shit. This is not basic, medium technically. Grignard is basic, medium by itself. I don't know what they mean by in basic, medium, Grignard will do. No, that doesn't make any sense. Because I
Okay.
mentioned about that Grignard is the strongest base you will see in organic. So I don't know what they mean by in basic, medium. No, that doesn't make any sense.
Okay.
Okay. That is this. It has nothing to do with Grignard. Epoxide cleavage. Yes. That's what they mean. Yes, that makes more sense. Give me a second. Let me explain this. When I'm going to be having any epoxide, okay. So epoxide, na, this type of fellow. I don't care what else is connected here. Some shit is connected. This epoxide here can break. Epoxide cleavage, let us say, is happening. The epoxide cleavage can follow two mechanisms. This can go via either SN1-like mechanism or via SN2. Okay. When it is going via SN2 mech over there, then attack will happen on attack of nucleophile on less sterically hindered location.
Yeah. Yeah.
Whereas if it is following the SN1-like mech over there, in this case, attack of
More
nucleophile
alkyl substituted.
will happen on what to say
Alkyl
more
substituted.
stable C plus location.
Yeah, exactly.
So in that scenario, you're going to be having this. That is in this via SN2 here, this is going to be in basic medium. You understand the point here? This will generally be in acidic medium.
Okay, like that. Okay.
So the point which they have mentioned has nothing to do with Grignard.
Oh, okay.
It is a point for the epoxide cleavage.
Is this like a part of SN to SN?
It's more, it's not SN to SN1 vector. This is going to be something which you'll be learning in
Different chapter.
alcohols, phenols, ethers chapter, not here.
Okay, okay, fine.
So
Then
don't worry about it. It's a point from there.
Okay, sir. Yeah.
But the point is valid. It has nothing to do with Grignard. It has everything to do with the epoxide there.
Mhm. So, like, I think this might also be in a future chapter, but like in few questions, CuCl was also there in this mixture. Like, and then I wasn't getting the right answer.
Hmm. I know what you're talking about. Let me go there. Hmm. They would have given RMGX with CuCl.
Yeah, exactly.
Some shit like this, correct?
Yes.
Now, um, let me get my thoughts clearer here. Then I'll explain. Okay. So when you're going to be looking at organometallics, all right, RMGX comes into that category.
Hmm.
Okay. There are different levels in them. Okay. Strongest bugger is RLI. This is called alkyl lithium, R minus Li plus.
Yeah, in one question, this was also.
This and RMGX are very similar in terms of their reactivities.
Okay.
There will only be a difference when the RLI reacts with carboxylic acid.
Oh,
Okay.
okay.
In every other case, they'll have similar reaction.
Wait, it doesn't react with carboxylic acid?
It does, but it reacts twice.
What?
It will do
Okay.
acid base and nucleophilic addition.
Oh, there was a question like that. Oh, never mind. Okay.
Let's not go there. That's unnecessary complications. That's not worth it. The idea there is RLI and RMGX are very similar in terms of their reactivity.
Oh, okay.
Okay. The next is going to be your Gilman reagent.
CuLi.
And
Oh,
dialkyl cadmium.
think that would form. Okay.
So this R twice Cu like a badle mein, they also sometimes give you R twice CuMgX.
Okay.
You understand what's happening over here?
Yeah, the Cu. I think it will
So
form
this is that.
Gilman reagent. Okay.
Similar to Gilman.
So
They
this
are
one.
weaker bases and weaker nucleophiles compared to RLI and RMGX.
So they won't have similar reactions.
They will not have similar reaction. If I'm
Why?
going to be having, let's say, RLI or RMGX, which say the most common case is going to be this. I'm just giving you the most common case now and bluntly giving you the scenario here. These two fellows will perform direct 1-2 addition. Okay. But if I'm going to be having R twice CuLi or R twice CuMgX, if they are giving you this will generally be on this kind of a conjugated system. They would have given you a question involving that type of system.
Yeah, conjugation is there. Yes.
Without that, they will not give that crap to you. If this or if I'm having R twice CD, these buggers will perform 1-4 addition. And then 1-2 addition.
This is also in a different chapter.
So 2 steps.
Okay. Yeah.
So they will generally stop the reaction at 1-4 addition stage. When I say 1-4, what I mean by that is this. If I'm reacting this fellow with say something like this. This fellow will come and attack here. This will shift, this will shift.
Oh.
This is meant by 1-4 addition. 1, 2.
Oh, the conjugation should. Oh, I see. Okay.
You understand the game there?
It's like
1,
makes
and
sense.
4. Whereas here it is going to be simply 1 and 2.
Instead of losing a bond, it's transferring the bond to the
Correct, correct.
neighboring. Okay. Okay, fine.
You understand the game here?
Yeah, got it, sir. Yeah.
Next.
So suppose there is how does Grignard reagent react with carboxylic acid? Like if it suppose it was in excess, then yeah. No, I'm saying how.
Acid base. What kind of a nonsense question is that?
No, like so it attacks the H attack to OH only.
Yes.
If it is in excess, would it attack? Okay, nothing.
That's what I specifically mentioned as a
Yeah.
difference between these two buggers.
Oh, that's what you meant. Oh, okay. Okay. Got it. Fine.
I'll repeat. I think it's not clear yet inside. So
Let's
if
just
I
do it.
have
Okay.
RCOOH and I hit this with say CH3 MgBr, I don't care how much I have.
Always
Excess.
the hydrogen goes off.
All right. I will be getting product as RCO minus MgX
CH.
plus methane.
Yes.
Okay.
Hmm.
If I take say RCOH and I hit it with this guy,
Something different happens.
excess,
Conjugate.
I will be getting RCO minus Li plus first. And of
That
course, I
again.
will also get methane.
Yeah.
But then this will still react with my methyl lithium. This fellow will now come attack here.
Oh, leaving group it becomes that O minus Li.
Okay, I'll be getting R, C,
CH3 double bond.
H3, and then
Double
O minus Li plus, and then
single O.
another O minus Li plus.
Oh no, hydrogen
If
water.
I hydrolyze now,
Hmm.
I'll be getting R, C, CH3, OH,
Diol.
and an OH.
Two
What will happen if
LIs.
I have a system like this?
Oh, 1 second. This thing again. Grignard happens. No, sorry. No. Loss of water will happen.
What will happen then?
Loss of water. So
Why will
double
it
bond
be
forms.
water molecule? It's a geminal diol. You're going to be having extreme repulsions between the OH and
Ah,
the OH lone pairs there.
yes.
So you end up
So
having this guy
again
basically
ketone forms and
seemingly
then
this guy as
that
well.
will again react to form alcohol.
No. It stops here. This is going to be breaking here.
Why?
You get this as the product here. The hydrolysis here will destroy all Grignard. Right? Yes or no? Grignard is a strong goddamn base. Same applies for alkyl lithium. Both are extremely powerful bases. But
Okay.
if you add acidification, it will destroy any alkyl lithium present.
Okay. Got it. Fine. Oh, right.
You understand the difference between these two
Yes.
organometallics here?
Okay.
Don't worry about them. This is not for now. This is let's not go there. This is not
Okay,
worth
sir.
it right now. Don't go here.
Huh.
You'll get to this when you get to it. Not right now.
Okay. So, like suppose that there's a question like there's R some cyanide attached to some alkyl group, and then how many molecules of RMGX required to turn into an alcohol? So like first time a
That is too complicated again. Don't go there.
like what should
It's
we
going to
answer?
be no. Why I'm saying it's too complicated is because that involves you understanding reactions of aldehydes and ketones. No need about that now. If they're asking you that now, skip it, lose marks, come back happily. No, I'm being very serious. Skip it, lose marks, feel happy about it. It's okay. Sometimes, same goes for this RLA and shit, which I just explained here. It's not worth it to learn unnecessary extra things now. You have enough on your brain now. You have enough connections to make. Don't add extra pieces which don't need to be connected right now. You will learn enough about them in aldehydes and ketones. There's a separate method of preparation of aldehydes and ketones from that kind of stuff involving Grignard.
Okay, fine.
Okay? You will
Yes.
learn that properly then. Don't go over
Okay.
that.
I was asking because again in one of these questions, how many moles of CH3Br is required? But then
You have
diol will
already
form.
gotten the number of moles required for that based on the answer. Yes,
What?
you've already
Oh,
figured
yeah.
out how many moles have to be used based on the answer, correct? You are
So
asking me how that happens.
two questions are contradicting though.
You're
One
asking me
time,
how that happens.
no,
Yes
like
or no?
one. Yeah.
Let's not debate the semantics here.
Okay, sir.
You
Yeah.
know the answer for the number of moles of grignard to be used. Correct?
But
Your
one
problem,
question.
why?
No, they're contradicting itself. One question gave
I
one,
am
one
telling
question
you
gave
the
two.
why you can. Oh, okay. You're getting two contradictory shit over there.
Yeah. Yeah.
Then fine. Then I'll get that solved. Tell me now, huh? What is your contradiction there?
No, like in one question, like the counting was going off. Like it said the nitrile will to turn this. Actually, the question is not even given, sir. Just like this. This in the photo.
Send the question. Fine.
That's really this. Like just give a compound and they said XMG RMGX.
Send.
Yeah, I said it. So, yeah. And then just next question, they said one. Only one is required. I think the question printing error or something.
This is looking like the same. Okay, it's not the exact same question.
Yeah, it's not the same. Like in this question, it's a nitrile consume two. Next question is given only one.
Okay, first off, there are some issues here.
Question is not even
Two
there.
esters will consume two each.
Esters.
Yeah. Okay, the two ester groups will
Oh,
consume two each.
yeah, correct. Two only. Yeah, my bad. Sorry. Two only.
So
Yeah,
your answer is anyway messed up there.
yeah, my bad. I made a mistake then. I.
So 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. Answer given is 7 for this.
Just a second. Seven is given. Yeah,
That's fine. Cyanide will consume 1.
but in solution it was given nitrile will consume 2 moles of
Answer is given
RMG.
7 or not.
Seven is given. So yeah.
Then cyanide will consume 1.
Okay.
You're having, what to say, 2 for each of the esters, 1 for the keto, 1 for the halo, and 1 for the cyano.
Yeah.
Okay?
I think they made a counting mistake. Okay. Then
I don't know what mistake they have made. If
okay,
answer is
something's gone there. Yeah.
in the next place, what have they done? Cyanide, they've taken 2 or 1.
No, I thought here they took two, and the next one I made a mistake here. My bad. Okay.
Cyanide is 1.
Hmm.
RC is 1.
Okay, because die. Okay, fine.
I'm not going to go into why.
Yes. Yeah. 1 second.
If you no, actually no, I'm not. Let's not go there.
Uh,
Next.
So there's one big question.
Hmm. 1 minute, I'll be back. You
Yes.
send me the question.
Yeah. Sure.
Yeah, my daughter's sleep time is soon. So when she's going to sleep, I'll probably take a break or I might end up closing itself.
Okay. I have this last two. I'm
So
done.
you're nearly done, is it?
Yes, sir. The two more. And then that's it.
No problem.
Mm.
I will be awake anyway, so I can come back once she's
Okay.
fifth or fourth or
Both, sir. Do the can you do the
both
fifth
or
one, sir? Do the fifth one, sir, please.
fifth one, okay? I need the total number of compounds that give diastereomeric product from non-reaction with MEMGCl. Diastereomeric. Oh god, this is irritating. So look. So first guy will give me this.
Identical.
So I'll be getting enantiomers. Not Not even enantiomers.
No, they're identical, right?
Identical only.
Monomer. Homo.
Nothing. Bela, I'll be having CH3COOH. I'll be getting CH3CO minus. So nothing. Sila, I'll be having 1, 2, 1, nothing. Okay. D is going to give me 1, 2, OH.
I think D will give me.
No, same thing. No? How does it make a difference? How many extra
So
carbons?
if you draw the Fisher projection, then
Don't care. I'm not having chiral.
oh, okay, yeah.
Fisher projection, it seems. When you don't have chiral, you don't need to give a crap.
Okay.
This guy will give me PHO minus. Acid base, so nothing. F is going to give me something more interesting finally. So F I'm having this in fixed over here. I will be having OH and a CH3. So this will give me diastereomers. So this can be fixed in R. This can be R or S. You understand or not?
E.
Hmm?
Uh,
Not E. E is nothing.
yeah, that's what it is.
F. F is correct.
Okay, F is correct. Yeah.
I think I should swap to the video feed. I can't see your face over here. So
No, no.
good for F.
Sir? Huh?
You understood for the F compound or not?
Understood, sir. Understood.
Okay.
That is fixed. This is not.
Next is again G is also going to be something which will be having bicyclo type of thing, which means you will have no plane of symmetry, right? Yes or no?
Yeah.
And in that case, what are going to be my species which are going to be the chiral centers there? Which
Oh,
ones are going to be chiral there?
this the bridgehead carbon and that carbon itself.
Correct. So the bridgehead carbon is going to be in a fixed configuration.
Yes.
So the other fellow can have both possibilities. So this
Hmm.
is very much possible to give you diastereomers.
Sir,
I'm
answer
not
is
sure of this because I'll have to actually draw the shit and check once more. But yeah, bridgehead should be chiral. One of the bridgeheads, not both. The bridgehead closer.
the closer one, I guess. I think both is possible. Both are possible.
We'll keep this under advisement. My gut feeling tells me neither of them. So I will have to actually check it up by drawing and actually thinking about it. So let's put that under advisement. Uh,
Hmm.
it'll be easier to basically guess for the remaining and then decide on the answer and see if it matches and decide on that. Then it'll give us better information. So I'm not
I
going to
don't
guess.
think the answer is correct. I mean,
Oh, now you're getting the answer. Okay, let's not. I'm not going to jump.
okay. Yeah.
Not like jumping to conclusions anyway. So,
I think H is also
C and C. So this is not chiral. This is
not
not
correct.
chiral. Just because they
Yes.
are put that way doesn't mean it's chiral.
Hmm.
I no. J no. K no. L L is the same as this fellow. What the hell? L and H are same da.
L and H.
Hmm.
Oh yeah. 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 Same.
Both are same. Either there's some issue there or there something is wrong. I don't know what they've made printing error.
Clear trick. Yeah.
And M is also nothing. N is going to be
So M is not why?
again.
Chiral.
That is not chiral.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
There are two methyls on the same carbon, right?
Yes. Sir.
That's not chiral.
Yes. Sir.
I need at least one extra chiral.
So two chirals we need. Yes, sir.
One extra chiral. It
Ah.
will get chiral by the attack. That's not a problem.
No, not always. No, that is also
Huh?
not guaranteed.
N
That is
has
also not
got
guaranteed.
chiral, no?
In this case, yeah, but then not.
N is going, oh yeah, N will not become chiral. So this location will not become chiral. Fair.
That's what.
So, oh crap. Answer is 1 as of now or 2. What is given?
One.
Then this, my gut feeling was correct.
Okay.
So, what did my gut tell me? It was like this. If I draw this thing like this, so this carbon here is going to be having this side and this side being the same. Same way, this carbon will have this side and this side being the same. So they are not chiral and they are fixed. So only one chiral carbon, meaning I'll get R and S, meaning I get enantiomers, not diastereomers. You understand the point here? So this doesn't give me diastereomers, this gives me enantiomers.
So can you just tell once again?
So if I get the product, this should be the product obtained here, correct?
Yeah.
Now, if I'm going to be considering this carbon here, for this carbon, this side and this side are the same.
Oh, okay. Like that.
Similarly, for this carbon, this side and this side are the same. So both of these two carbons are in fixed configurations.
Yeah.
Have no optical activity. Only this guy is optically active.
Okay, fine. Yeah.
So only R and S possible, so enantiomers.
Okay. Yeah.
You understood clearly?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, tail is also possible. Oh, it will go away afterwards. Oh, this is very nice. I didn't know this. Okay, useful. Next up.
The fourth question, sir. Sir, what are they even asking? I don't understand how.
Okay, let me read it. You understood this fifth one, yes?
Yes, sir, I understand this.
0.34 grams of hydrocarbon on treatment with this liberates this much at STP. Obtains hydrocarbon. Point 0.34 grams of hydrocarbon on treatment with this liberates this at STP. And its molecular weight is Z. So find the value of. Yeah, dude, that's something messed up, dude. I do not understand what that is. Oh, N is.
How
N
the
is.
hydrocarbon even react with?
Okay, hydrocarbon is the original fellow. Okay.
And they're saying that will react with this.
Molecular weight is Z for which guy? Is it for the original guy or for the treated with this? Liberates this much of methane. Okay, let us assume that they mean that original hydrocarbon is X. Okay. Our job is to find out the molecular weight of that guy.
I have the solution also, but I don't understand what's going on there.
If that is going to be the assumption, it's not that complicated then. If I'm going to be having the original grams, 0.34 grams taken, this is not really an organic question, this is a physical chemistry question actually. So we're going to be having methane gas being liberated over here, which is going to be 112 ml, which basically means it's going to be 0.112 liters.
Yes.
So 0.112 by 22.4.
0.005.
I'll be having 11.2 is going to be half. So I'll be having half into 10 power minus 2. So half into 10 power minus 2 is going to be the moles over here of Grignard. Now,
Yes,
the key assumption which has to be made over here is that that particular system is going to be reacting with Grignard and it is going to be having only one level of acidic hydrogen. We have to assume it's N factor. You understand what I mean by N factor here?
Yes, sir.
So we have to assume it's N factor. You know N factor properly then?
Yes, that
So in
thing.
this case here, we have to assume that the N factor with respect to acidic nature is going to be 1 for the original hydrocarbon. So in that particular case, this 0.34 grams is going to be equal to 0.5 into 10 power minus 2 moles, which means now we can calculate for 1 mole.
Molecular weight you can
So
find
1 mole of hydrocarbon
68.
is going to be 34 into 2,
68.
68. So 68 means then you're going to be having 68 minus 15. So 68 minus 15. How much is that? 68 minus 15 no, it's going to be 53. 53 is divisible? No.
By 3 you're saying?
53 doesn't divide by 3, huh?
Yeah, it does not. Answer is given as
Ah,
17.
yes. We should have a hydrogen over there. This guy plucked out the hydrogen, correct?
What?
Think. This fellow plucked out the acidic hydrogen,
Oh,
right?
yeah.
So we are going to be having 68 nahi hai, plus 1 hai.
But the answer is still given as this thing
What is
only
the answer?
50, 53 by 3.
53 by 3 than given, huh?
Yes, sir. Wait.
Why did I fuck up then? Give me a second. Let me think for a second. Acidic hydrogen should get out. But how's okay, it won't matter. The 0.34 is going to be the initial compound only with the hydrogen. Even after, if I'm going to be looking at 0.34 grams, is going to be the leftover part over there, then that's a problem. Then I'll have to add. But even then, I should not be adding one. That is the wrong thing only. I made a mistake only. The addition of one is shit only. I should not have done that.
Oh, hydrogen. Oh, hydrocarbon can react with alkyne. No?
No. It
Oh.
is hydrogen only. But the hydrogen addition should not be directly added like that. See, my mistake over here was I took that this particular 0.34 was for final product.
Oh, yeah, that's not. No,
But
no, no.
even if I take it for final product, I should not add one directly like that. Why?
One is already added.
Yes, because in this case, it's already added in the first place because they mentioned that it is the original hydrocarbon.
Hmm.
And even then, okay, I'm not going to go into the even then part there because that I can sense is going to be complicated to explain to you. Let's not go there. So this is mentioned for the original fellow there. My mistake was adding that one. That is not correct. So 68 minus 15 by 3 is fine. If, but it doesn't make sense and should not be, I mean, have they mentioned what is n? I mean, n is given as 54 by 3 itself. See, 53 by 3 itself.
Yeah.
Then fine. Then let's not
I
go
don't know
there.
why they gave the entire thing just to get a fractional.
Stupid.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Next one.
Sir,
Hmm.
that's it. Yeah.
You're done.
Yes.
Okay. All right. So Sunday then I suppose,
Okay.
or I actually will probably be available. I mean, logically, I should be available tomorrow also during the afternoon time. But I might be freer. But I get busy once in a while when somebody catches me to have a discussion. So yeah, I might be free on Friday or Saturday also during the afternoon session.
Okay. Sir.
If we do have a little bit of time, Sunday, I think I might end up getting busy one of those days. I'm not sure. This week also we lost Sunday. So
Hmm.
hmm. Okay, that's why you had a bunch of questions collected today then.
Yeah.
Okay, so that worked out more comfortable.
Yes, sir.
All right then. I'll see you whenever I see you next. Bye.
Okay.
Good
Yeah.
night.
Thank you, sir. Good night, sir. Yeah.
Type of late is okay for you.
Yeah, it's fine, sir.
घर में ही तो रहना है.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
one day if you get to play basketball instead, that's worth it, I suppose. So you
I
did go
could.
to basketball then.
No, we didn't play today, sir. My friend was busy. Yeah.
So you have like very few friends who are also sincere studying fellows.
No, he had to go out somewhere.
Who have to go out. Okay.
Yeah.
So you
I
have
mean, I
like
don't believe him. I think
slower
he's
fellows
studying.
also.
I think he's studying though. I'm not sure.
Good to know.
Yeah.
In your own school or different
Yeah.
school?
Fiji.
then obviously studying. Then good possibilities there.
Yeah.
All right, then. Bye bye. Good night. Have a nice
Yeah.
time.
Good answer. Yeah. That's it. Yeah. Thank you.
Bye bye.